Kobe, and you know, today we have the Starwarz Angry Bird. I got it from my Uncle Tony's
Causeway
Bay, the 6th floor, and Starwarz. And this, let's open it now. In the end, I'll say www.family.com. Let's open it now. Get it out. Daddy. Daddy is going to be the one who get the Angry Birds out. These are the comics. Actually, it's not. This what you just watch it. This picture. You get these Angry Birds out. Daddy, this is a comic that let's show you this. Now let's. Daddy. Angry Birds. Here. Okay, now.
What's his name?
His name is Dark Trooper.
No, this is not Dark Trooper. This is Stormtrooper.
Stormtrooper, I mean.
And
we
Luke
got
Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker in
Luke
pilot.
Skywalker and pilot.
Plastic. This is what?
This one.
I don't know. This is Han Solo.
Han Solo.
You need to show it to the camera so everyone can see it.
This Han Solo. This is Stormtrooper. And this?
This is Luke.
Luke Skywalker. And
show it to the video. So
this Darth Vader.
Show it to the video.
Darth Vader, I say.
Okay.
R2D2.
And Luke Skywalker in Echo Base Gear.
Yeah, Luke Skywalker in what?
Echo Base Gear.
Echo Base Gear. And Driver Tape.
No, that's Stormtrooper.
No.
Yeah.
This. Driver.
Driver. This is Stormtrooper.
Stormtrooper again.
Snowtrooper.
Snowtrooper. Snowtrooper.
The Snowtrooper.
Snowtrooper.
And Commander.
Yeah, he's not good at slinging. The slingshot, you put him, he's going to, like this, you put it on here and you sling him, it will go backwards. So when you sling this thing.
Okay.
So now, let's do it in my window side. Well, let's do it in my window side right now. Whoever I need you to help, I'll just ask you, right? Watch this. Now it comes to a slingshot. Some blocks. Let's get blocks.
Let's pretend you finish and then you say, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please go to www.
Not yet. We have to view it. Let them see how I can play.
Okay.
How they can play.
I'll help.
冇咁多分鐘㗎咯喎，就嚟。
Now let's do this. Click this in. Why is broken?
I broke it so we can put it into the box.
Okay. So let's get our Angry Bird out first too. Dark Vader.
I'm going to do it really quick.
Dark Vader, Stormtrooper.
Let's see.
And this?
This is, I don't know. Han Solo.
Han Solo and mine pick, right? R2D2 and Trooper. Wait, with the others is Striper Pick. This. What's this? This.
Watch it. This one is Luke Skywalker.
No, this one.
Oh,
Luke
this one is Rebound Trooper.
Rebound Trooper. And this.
This is Skywalker in Pilot.
Skywalker in Pilot
Costume.
suit. I mean custom. And this.
This is Luke Skywalker
Luke
in
Skywalker.
Echo Base
An
Gear.
Apple base here. And this Stormtrooper again. And there's a slingshot in the back. Let's get this and this. Let's get our own one we like. I like to have the good guys. And you're gonna have the bad guys, Daddy.
Okay, so let's show them how to play.
Later when we finish. Easy, easy, easy.
I'm done.
個橋底有兩隻佢。
Let's do this. Slingshot. They're gonna be very happy that they're
Wow!
Whoa! 130.
Yeah, just one birdie I can shoot them.
Okay, done.
I don't know.
Now go tell.
I don't
Now
know.
now go tell.
Even
Now go tell them. So that's about it.
that's
If you
about
like
it. And
my video,
if you like my video, say
go to
go to www.com KobeFamilies.com.
See ya.
See ya. No.
Okay.